AI adventures for kids. Rapidly expanding science, artificial intelligence, AI, is changing many facets of our life. AI is transforming how we engage with technology, from virtual assistants to self-driving vehicles. Although artificial intelligence AI may seem like a difficult and sophisticated idea, it also offers kid-friendly applications. Let's look at some popular AI applications for kids that are entertaining and instructive. Toys using AI. Many toys on the market now use AI to provide kids with a dynamic and interesting experience. Robotic dogs, for instance, can understand and carry out vocal instructions and educate children on the fundamentals of coding via play, and even provide customized stories and games. These playthings can help improve kids' cognitive and physical abilities, also stimulating their imagination and creativity. Content filtering. Information filtering can help safeguard children from unsuitable information as they use the internet for study and leisure on a larger scale. Kids can enjoy the internet more safely if AI algorithms are used to analyze and filter out potentially hazardous or unsuitable information from websites, applications, and videos. AI-powered content filtering might be a useful tool for parents to make sure that their children have secure and enjoyable internet experience. Creative tools. Kids' creativity and imagination can be stimulated through AI-powered creative tools. For instance, there are AI-powered music composition tools that can assist children in writing their music, as well as AI-based sketching applications that can transform crude sketches into polished works of art. Kids may find new methods to express themselves and discover their artistic skill thanks to these instruments for creativity. Gaming. Kids may now enjoy immersive and participatory gaming thanks to AI, which also is revolutionizing the game business. AI-powered games may offer personalized challenges, adjust to a child's playing style, and give immediate feedback. While having fun, these games can aid the development of children's critical thinking and problem-solving and strategic planning abilities. In conclusion, AI has a wide range of applications for children that are both fun and instructive. AI can improve children's learning, creativity, and critical thinking abilities through toys, educational applications, virtual tutoring, and creative tools. As technology develops, AI will probably play a bigger part in determining how children interact with the environment, giving them interesting and novel options for growth and development. Artificial intelligence, AI, is a game-changing technology that is quickly taking over many parts of our lives, including the labor market and educational system. AI has a substantial and complex influence on employment and education, posing both opportunities and difficulties that must be carefully considered. The employment market is one of the most obvious places where AI is having an effect. AI can both automate tedious and repetitive activities while also opening up new employment prospects. Data analysis, virtual assistants, customer service, and even healthcare all make use of AI technologies. In customer support positions, AI-powered chatbots are becoming more prevalent, freeing up human employees to concentrate on more challenging and strategic responsibilities. AI is also being used to boost production and efficiency in sectors like manufacturing and transportation, a workforce disruption and necessary for upskilling and reskilling programs to guarantee that people remain relevant in the job market might become greater automation brought on by AI. Nevertheless, in some areas, AI is also having a big influence in the field of education. AI has the potential to revolutionize education by enhancing its personalization, adaptability, and accessibility. AI-driven tutor programs may provide pupils with personalized feedback and adjust to their unique learning preferences and requirements. Artificial intelligence powered virtual reality and augmented reality can provide an immersive learning experience that lets students explore and study in a virtual setting. AI may also be used in educational institutions to automate administrative work, freeing up teachers to concentrate on teaching and mentoring. The influence of AI on education, however, also presents difficulties, given that AI systems frequently gather and analyze significant quantities of data. Concerns have also been raised concerning the possibility of prejudice and ethical ramifications of applying AI to decision-making procedures like admissions and assessments, as not all students may have equal access to technology and digital literacy capabilities. There are worries regarding equitable access to AI-powered educational materials, which might lead to the gap in educational chances. It is essential to create methods that maximize AI's power's promise while minimizing its drawbacks. To address the effects of AI on employment and education, this involves making investments in training and development programs for workforce to provide them with the skills they need to prosper in an AI-driven economy. To educate students about the evolving labor market, educational institutions should integrate AI and digital literacy into their courses. Regulators should be put in place by policymakers to guarantee the moral application of AI, safeguard worker and student rights, and secure privacy. In conclusion, there are numerous and important effects of AI on both employment and education. While AI can revolutionize education, boost efficiency across many industries, and offer new employment possibilities, it also presents problems including job displacement, data privacy concerns, equality, and bias difficulties. A comprehensive and strategic strategy is required, incorporating collaboration between policymakers, educators, and industry stakeholders to design a future of work and education in the AI era. This will help maximize the benefits of AI while tackling its problems. AI can positively impact the labor market and educational system, benefiting individuals, communities, and society as a whole within proper planning and proactive steps. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed learning about the applications of AI and how AI is affecting jobs and education. I'll see you later.